everyone. So today we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day photo shoot slash birthday photo shoot since it's my birthday month, and I am wearing the selkie dress from Amazon, well, selkie dupe from Amazon. It is so itchy and I don't recommend, but it's going to look cute in photos. And then today I do have a little cute Valentine's Day cake that was gifted to me by some local bakers, so I can't wait for you guys to see them, or see the cake and the macaroons. And then I do have some Valentine's Day balloons. Did I say balloons or macaroons? Oh my word, I am so tired. Can't wait for you guys to see the photo shoot, so maybe we'll just go instead of me talking so much. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Ugh. Oh, it's so nice out. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna do it right here. I am crazy. This is what it looks like to be in my household. Everything outside, including the balloons. But the sheet fell off because of the wind, and then now I'm trying to see if I really want to have the sheet on the fence or somewhere else. But I'm gonna try to set up the tripod. Got my cute little dress on, I love it. So people watching this afterwards, please don't think I'm nuts. But yeah, hopefully the sun doesn't disappear soon because it's already like almost 5. But yeah, let's go. Got my zip clips. Okay, I don't know if I can reach this, but we'll jump. See, I don't know if I like those lines. Ugh. Maybe I should put them over here so that we don't get the lines. Okay, I'm kind of scared because I've never been to our little shed before, and I opened it and I was scared that a snake would pop out. But I think we got it. See, I just did it on top of that. Voila, got my makeshift little studio with that shed. Valentine's Day, so you guys get inspired. Okay, I'm not a big fan of this white one or silver one, so I might just snip them off. Should I keep it in the box, or no? I'm gonna remove it. I actually kind of want to get a cake stand. It's too cute for me to remove from the box, I think. Should I I don't even know. Okay, I've just started putting all of these on this little cake tray because I might as well, because I had to go find it. Yeah, no, I can't do it sideways. The camera to off it. The final where my tripod is. So that's what it looks like right now. I want it to be horizontal, vertical, so that you can see the balloons, but I'll just cut it after. Okay, so the ground is very wet underneath, so I'm going to put my college projects underneath because we don't want these college projects anymore. But I do want to keep the white tablecloth white because it's my mother's and she's going to not be happy. So I'm going to put that there. But here, that's kind of nasty, fam, but I'm going to make do. Okay, my neighbor is over there, over that fence, and I'm feeling a tad self-conscious, LOL. Okay, I'm a little sad that I have to go ahead and put the candles when I haven't really gotten the perfect shot of these little treats, but I'm gonna try to get candles because it's gonna be my birthday, and we'll just do like a little triangle. Should do one candle or 3? I'm kind of scared. Oh no. Ah. Ooh, it's so windy. I don't know if this is gonna happen. It's too windy. Oh well, it might be time to go because the moon is already out. I've had fun. That's all that matters. Not gonna work. It's too windy. Sun is setting. Ugh, I'm gonna have to just, I think I might have to just Oh, I really want to get that photo with the... I really want to get a photo. Here's my little Polaroid though that my dad took. This is so cute. I'm forever gonna treasure this. Like, so cute. I can just get one shot. Okay guys, the sun has literally set and the moon is out. If you can see, where's the moon? There's the moon. The moon is out and I've been out here forever, and these little treats are probably full of bugs and grossness, but this was so fun. I had so much fun, even though it's so difficult to get the right things, and also the sun kind of disappeared in most of my shots because it was already time for sunset, but I've really enjoyed. Oh no, I'm gonna have to remove these candles. I feel bad for the cake. But I hope you guys enjoyed and that you are inspired to create something like this, even if you have to do it on your own. Super cheap balloons, and probably you can get a piece of cake from Publix or something for $5 or so. And then the Stress Amazon Selkie dupe. Very itchy, but it worked for the shoot, so. Oh, my poor cake is full of candle wax. So cute though. I'm so obsessed with it.